Excellency, the President, welcome to our church in the Diocese of Bondo. I wish to welcome everyone who has come, the dignitaries. I can see people holding various positions in this republic. I wish to welcome you here. I know many of you have seen me many times, but you never associated me with the church, particularly the Anglican Church. Now, I was born, my parents were Anglican, I've raised up as an Anglican, and I practice as an Anglican, member of the Anglican Church. Today, I've come here once again to show you there are two different types of canons in the Anglican Church. They are the ones that preaches, but then they're the ones that specifically advise the bishop and leads in the development of the institutions of the church, and that's where I am. We've come today for a noble reason, to be able to raise funds to build our cathedral, which we've seen on the other side. This is a noble duty. We live in good homes and good houses. We must also make sure that we worship our Lord God in a good establishment. This is a responsibility that we have to carry. I know my late husband, Right Honorable Ida Odinga, used to say that as you live in this world, you must leave a mark in this world, that even when you go, there'll be something that you'll be remembered by. I know my father-in-law, Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Today, you see Jaramogi Oginga Odinga University there. He's remembered by that, isn't it? When you go to Kisumu, you'll see Jaramogi Oginga Odinga Hospital, isn't it? Many people, you must do something that you'll be remembered by. I know you remember Honorable Ida Odinga with many other things, but he used to say, you don't live and die just like any, what is it called? Antelope? Oh, antelope, Mwanda. Huh? Like an antelope, you can be a beautiful antelope in the bush. And when you die, nobody remembers there was a beautiful antelope here in the bush. You must do something in your lifetime that you'll be remembered with. And me, I would like to be remembered by the work that I've done in our churches, besides everything. So how about you? Make your choice. But please, let this institution that we are building here become one of our legacies. And I'm sure, Bishop, when we've done that, when you write that pledge and those who contributed, I'm sure some of the names here will be in that. Yeah, he's agreed he'll do that. So, welcome, thank you very much, and may God bless you all.